What is up, Pyros? Today we're here with another demo video. Today we got a 500 gram cake from Super Fireworks called Smoking Hot. It is a 26 shot cake. It has multiple effects to it. It's got some red strobe, some crackle in there. It's also got some different angle, some W shape, some straight up shots, some different pace, nice and slow to start out with, then fire some angle shots at you, and then a little quicker pace there towards the end. So not a bad overall cake. I wish the finale was a little bit more to it, but for the price point, if you can get it wholesale, it's pretty good. So it's like I said, this is Smoking Hot from Super Fireworks, 26 shots, 500 grams. Let's take it out, see how she looks.